In this tutorial, I'll show you how to wireframe a cube without duplicating the original cube. Let's use Eevee and Bloom. I'll duplicate the cube, and add a wireframe modifier to the duplicated cube. This is how we used to create a wireframe mesh. We can go to Edit mode, and subdivide the mesh to add more wireframe segments. I'll show you a better way. This time, we'll add the wireframe modifier and uncheck its Replace Original option. Then how do we add two separate materials? Let's add an emission material. Once we set the material offset, then the wireframe mesh will have an emission material. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.